Hi, in this session we will solve one question. Find the cosine Fourier series of the waveform shown in the figure. So this is the waveform given which we want to find out the cosine Fourier series representation of this. So first I said previously that first let us find out the time period of this given waveform. What is the time period? The time period, this cycle repeats after 2 pi. So this is the cycle, this cycle repeats. So therefore what is the time period? The time period is equal to 2 pi. First you have to identify 2 pi. Then next we have to find out what is the equation for f of t. So you can see that this point is taken as 0, 0. This point is taken as 2 pi comma a. So from this 0, 0 point and 2 pi comma a, we can find out the equation of straight line. So that is f of t equation. So what is one point? 0, 0 and the other point is 2 pi comma a. So what is the slope? Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1. So that is a minus 0 by 2 pi minus 0. So what is the answer? A by 2 pi. So this is the slope of the line. Now from this point and this slope, so use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 formula. So therefore f of t minus y1 is 0. So that is slope a by 2 pi into t minus 0. So what is the equation of f of t? The equation of f of t is equal to a by 2 pi into t. So in the which interval? 0 to 2 pi. So this is the equation of f of t. So this is the equation of f of t in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now you can find the trigonometric Fourier series. First we find out trigonometric Fourier series expansion. Later from that we convert it into cosine Fourier series representation. So the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of f of t, which is a periodic signal f of t, is, so what is our simple formula? F of t is equal to a0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega 0 t plus bn sin n omega 0 t, in which interval we are approximating t0 less than t0 plus 2 pi by omega 0. That is one cycle. Now let us find out, for every problem I said earlier, want to find out what is omega 0 for this problem. So what is omega 0 for this problem? Here. So what is omega 0? 2 pi f, 2 pi by capital T. So 2 pi by what is time period of the given waveform? 2 pi. So it will become 1. Substitute 1 in the above equation. I rewrite f of t is equal to, so a0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nt plus bn sin nt, in the interval. What is the interval? We want to approximate 0 to 2 pi. Just to find out a0, an and bn in this expansion. So as you know that what is a0? Average value or DC value of the given waveform. So first write the a0 formula, well known formula, average value formula, integral 1 by 2 integral t0 to t0 plus t f of t dt. So this is the average value formula from network theory. So therefore 1 by, what is the time period? 2 pi. So signal is available in 0 to 2 pi. So in this interval what is f of t? A by 2 pi into t into dt. So if you take a by 2 pi outside, it will come out a by 4 pi square. The integration of t dt is t square by 2. So 1 by 2 into, if you substitute limits, 4 pi square. So you can see that 4 pi square gets cancels out. The average value of this waveform is a by 2. So now let us find out what is an. So an, first write the formula for an, 2 by t integral t0 to t0 plus t f of t into cos n omega 0 t dt. So this is the formula. Now what is the time period? 2 by 2 pi, it will become 1 by pi. The signal is available in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So in this interval, what is the f of t value? A by 2 pi into t cos nt, omega 0 is what? dt. So take it outside, a by 2 pi square, write it outside, integrate t into cos nt. We have been doing this kind of integration, t into cos nt. First function into integration of second function is sin nt by n minus integration of differentiation of t is 1, integration of cos nt sin nt by n, again integrate, plus cos nt by n square will come. Substitute the limits 0 to 2 pi. If you substitute the limits, you can clearly see that a by 2 pi square, 2 pi square. If you substitute 2 pi here, sin 2 pi n is 0, as you know that. Cos 2 pi n is 1, so therefore it will become 1 by n square. Minus, if you substitute lower limit, this term sin 0, 0. So cos 0 is 1, minus 1 by n square. So this term and this term gets cancelled out. The an coefficient will come out as 0. An coefficient will come out as 0. Similarly, calculate the bn coefficient. So what is the bn coefficient formula? 2 by t integral t0 to t0 plus t f of t into sin n omega 0 t dt. So 2 by 2 pi, it will become 1 by pi, integral 0 to 2 pi, f of t value is a by 2 pi into t sin nt dt. So write a by 2 pi outside. So a by 2 pi square will come outside. Just integrate t sin nt minus t cos nt by n minus integration of t is 1. Differentiation for integration of sin nt is plus cos nt by n. If you again integrate, it will become sin nt by n square. Substitute the limits 0 to 2 pi. So from this you can clearly see that a by 2 pi square. So if you substitute 2 pi here, cos, so it will first term will become minus 2 pi, cos 2 pi n is 1 by n, sin 2 pi n is 0. If you substitute lower limit, this term is 0, sin 0 is 0. So only this term will remain. So what is the answer? 2 gets cancelled out, minus a by n pi. So this is the answer for this problem. Minus a by n pi. Minus a by n pi is the answer for this problem. Minus a by n pi is the answer for this problem. Now let us substitute this. So what is our trigonometric Fourier series expansion? F of t is equal to a0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to n an cos n omega 0 t plus bn sin n omega 0 t in the interval t0 to t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught. So the cosine we have calculated in the previous class, the cosine Fourier series representation. That means we have converted entire term into cosine Fourier series representation. So therefore f of t in cosine Fourier series representation is written as summation n is equal to 1 to infinity capital an into cos n omega 0 t plus phi. So in the so this is cosine Fourier series representation. The above equation is converted into only cosine Fourier series. So this is cosine Fourier series. Now where already we have mentioned where what is capital A0? So capital A0 is equal to A0. So what is A0 we got? A by 2 pi. So sorry, A by 2. In fact A by 2. The average value of the given waveform is A by 2, which we got. So what is an formula which we have derived in the previous class? An is equal to square root of an square plus bn square. If you substitute what is an coefficient is 0. Square root of bn is minus a by n pi whole square. So which will come out as a by n pi. You can see that it will come out as a n pi. And what is phi? Phi is equal to what we have written previously, minus tan inverse of bn by an. You can clearly see minus tan inverse of, carefully write what is bn, minus a by n pi by an is 0. So which will come out as tan inverse of minus infinity, minus tan inverse of minus infinity is minus pi by 2, minus into minus plus. Substitute all these values, a0 pi by 2, so a by n pi, phi value omega 0 is 1, phi value pi by 2. Substitute, that will be the answer for this problem. So therefore, finally we write it as f of t is equal to, what is the a0? A by 2 is the average value plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. What is capital A n value? Capital A by n pi cos nt omega 0 is 1 plus phi is pi by 2. So this is the answer for this problem, cosine Fourier series representation of the given waveform. So in one cycle, so what is our cycle? So 0 less than t less than 2 pi. So this is the answer for this very simple problem, important problem also. Thank you.